Dajibab, how do you look at these Lok Sabha elections? You have been active in politics. Last time you had contested on independent when BJP had not given you a ticket. So how do you see yourself as a role in this Lok Sabha election, especially in Vasco Belt?
Yes, since last few elections we were independent, so taking any decision requires lot of understanding between our Karyakartas. We have got a huge role to play, but our Karyakartas will be the deciding factor. We have already started our meetings. Our Mahila meeting has been over. Now our Yuva Morcha we are meeting on Tuesday, and then maybe on Friday our seniors are meeting, and then we will have a huge meeting of all of our Karyakartas, and in that meeting we will decide which way to go, whom to support, what to do.
ना पण तुम्ही बीजेपी बरोबर रावतले व काँग्रेसा बरोबर रावतले, तुम्ही इंडिपेंडेंट असतले
ना खंयचोय जो लिडर असता पळय तो आपल्या कार्यकर्त्या बरोबर आपल्या लोकां बरोबर रावप प्रिफर करता. सो वॉट एवर माय पीपल एंड माय कार्यकर्ताज विल डिसाइड वी विल टेक अ स्टेप लायक दॅट.
ना पण तुमचे कितें म्हणणें आसा एज फार एज लोकसभा 2 सिटां आसा. साउथ गोवा ऑल्सो प्लेज एन एक्टीव रोल. वास्को म्हणनाका, वास्को इज अ ह्यूज हायस्ट नंबर ऑफ वोटर्स. सो तुम्ही खंयच्यान तुम्ही कशे आसतले इंडिपेंडंटूच वयतले हो ती लोकां तुमकां पॉलिटिकल पार्टी डजंट मेन्शन
सद्या कशें आसा सीइंग ऑल द सिनारियो कोण बरो काम करता ताका निवडून हाडपा जाय.
तुका पार्टी लागना?
म्हाका पार्टी लागना. कोण बरो आसा विल सपोर्ट हिम वॉट एवर इज आवर डिसिजन, and then maybe with all our Karyakartas we'll take a final call.
Has BJP or Congress approached you for your support?
Yeah, they have come.
Both of them?
Both of them have come.
So your final decision would be when?
On the people. Maybe on next week or maybe in another 10 days our final decision will be taken.
One more decision is that though assembly elections are far to go, केन्ना कितेंय जावंक शकता द करंट सिट्युएशन. तुम्ही तुमचें काम कशें केलेलें आसा आनी तुमी खंयची पॉलिटिकल पार्टी पळयता येद्या वक्तार?
ना आमी कितें केलां, वी आर वर्किंग एट द ग्रासरूट लेवल. आमी जेन्ना पसून इंडिपेंडंट रावल्या पळय आमी थोड्या मतांनी आमी हरले. सो आमी खंय चुकल्या, खंय कितें जालां, वी आर एनालायझींग इट, and maybe in the next election we will be in full flow, there is no doubt. But our strength is our Karyakartas, because हे कार्यकर्ता जे आसा they are not on money. आमी पैशांनी कोणाक विकते घेना, सगळे स्वखुशीन, because we want something good to happen in Vasco. Vasco has been always neglected by everybody who has come, and अजून पर्यंत तुम्ही केन्नाय वास्को येवन पयली जाल्यार there is no development at all after so many years.
So for you, any plans of joining any political party or BJP पत्ते वयतले म्हणून?
ना सध्या तरी काय तशें डिसिजन जावना.
पण ऑप्शन्स आसा खंयचे पार्टीक जॉइन?
ओपन. लेट्स सी व्हाट आवर कार्यकर्ता डिसाइड, वी विल टेक अ कॉल.
थँक्यू सर.